everyone, and thank you so much for joining me here at Lemongrass. We are super excited because today we are unboxing our April Bliss box. It's called Bring on Spring. And aren't you ready? Well, spring is sprung, flowers are blooming, everything is renewed and reborn, including your beauty routine. You're going to spring out of your chair when you see what's in this glorious array of products when you open this Bliss box. It's going to arrive on your doorstep. Open it up and have fun and really enjoy the season. With 4 Bliss box exclusives never seen before, you're going to help freshen for spring by purifying, smoothing, and moisturizing your skin, plus nourishing your lips with a fresh new tint. So are you ready to see what's in this Bring on Spring themed Bliss box? Well, as busy as our lives can become, the more we streamline our routines, the better. This never before seen Bliss box exclusive is a multitasking superhero. Introducing this exclusive exfoliating face and body wash. That's right. You can gently exfoliate and cleanse your face and body with this multitasking treatment. The aloe-based formula is powered by brightening hibiscus petals that help enhance the appearance of skin's texture and its ability to retain moisture, a key factor in maintaining your youthful glow. It's also handcrafted with natural exfoliating olive seeds and sugar that help remove dry, dead skin. Anytime you exfoliate, it leaves that skin feeling fresh and smooth. It also has a powerhouse ingredient called MSM. It's a mineral that helps improve the collagen production in your skin. It's referred to as nature's beauty mineral as it helps maintain and replenish the collagen. This allows your skin to be smoother, more supple, and bright, effectively treating skin conditions such as dryness and even acne. So this wash lathers so nicely because of the rich aloe base, and it leaves your skin clean and exfoliating. 2 steps in one. So in the shower, you are going to dispense the wash onto wet skin, and you'll use it in a circular motion, of course, all over your body. It helps gently exfoliate and cleanse all at the same time. You're going to rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. To use on your face, you can do that virtually the same way, but I have a brand new skincare accessory that you're going to love and maybe want to use with this beautiful exfoliating face and body wash. Introducing our super soft and fluffy facial cleansing pad. Now this one's been opened. It comes inside your box in a resealable bag, but I just wanted to show the texture. This is so fun. This machine washable facial pad makes removing makeup and impurities easier than ever. The double-sided pad is eco-friendly because it replaces makeup wipes. If you're that person that reaches for those disposable makeup wipes, this is what you can do to replace it. And honestly, I like this better than a washcloth too. Here's why. The round shape makes it easier to use on your face. It also bends easily where you can get into creases and crevices and even remove eye makeup. I absolutely love it for this. So you're going to dampen this with water and work in a circular motion around your face and your eyes. Rinse clean and hang to dry in between uses. You can use this with the exfoliating facial and body wash, or on days you don't need exfoliation, simply use it with water or maybe our prebiotic facial wash or the facial cleansing milk that we offer. There are hundreds of tiny fibers that grab hold of the impurities, makeup and oils, and remove them easily. So you're going to rinse this under running water and let air dry overnight. You'll use it a couple days in a row and then pop in your washing machine and dryer and it's ready to go. You'll also be reaching for it over and over. Now I want to show you one that I've been using for weeks now at home. And I just want to tell you just how easily it washes up. I pop it in the washer after using it for a couple of days. And of course, run it through my washing machine and then my dryer. It comes out perfectly. Once you've exfoliated and cleansed, now you're ready to lock in some extra hydration before you're ready to face the day. You're going to love applying the unscented formula body serum. This is a fan favorite, and we offer it in two exclusive luxury scents, but this is being offered in the Bliss box scent-free version. If you've never tried our body serum before, you are in for a treat. Let me take that back. Your skin is in for a treat. It's a daily anti-aging body serum that leaves skin nourished and renewed. It's very lightweight, so it's so perfect for warmer weather. It's fast absorbing, and it's packed with 3 of the most key anti-aging ingredients in beauty care now: hyaluronic acid, squalene, and niacinamide. You're going to apply it all over your body or on areas that need extra hydration, maybe on those elbows. The unscented formula is perfect for all skin types, and it's great for layering with your favorite scented moisturizer or body spritz. So you're going to massage all over dry, clean skin, and it can be used daily, all over, or applied, of course, as a spot treatment when it's needed. Well, this box wouldn't be complete without a lip tint that I hinted about in the very beginning. Introducing the Hibiscus Berry Tinted Lip Balm. Oh, I just love this product. Pamper your lips with the perfect wash of color and a super soft, buttery feel. Infused with nourishing mango and shea butter and soothing tamanu oil, this vegan formula delivers superior moisture, keeps lips smooth, and protects the delicate skin on your lips. So the tinted lip balm glides on to add a pop of nude berry color. Look at how beautiful that is. And it offers a delicious taste of juicy blackberries and hibiscus tea. So the question comes up, how can you have a nourishing lip balm without beeswax? Didn't you say it was vegan? It sure is. So our expert team blends mango butter, shea butter, tamanu, and candelilla wax to create this balm that glides gently across your lips. And you know, the feedback on this formula has been so positive here at Lemongrass Home Office. And many have said how much longer this particular lip balm tends to last on your lips throughout the day. It gives you just a nice nude berry pop of color that you can actually use underneath your favorite lip gloss. So all 4 of these exclusive items are being offered for only $39, including free shipping. And it comes with an instruction card. It tells you all about the ways you can bring on spring with these 4 exclusive products. For only $39, including free shipping, this April Bring on Spring Bliss Box can be yours. The item code is G4641, and it's available now. So be sure to connect with the consultant who shared this video with you, and be sure to share your bliss on our social channels. Tag us on Instagram or on Facebook, because we would love to enjoy while you're experiencing your Bliss Box items, and also hear your feedback using our email address, blissbox@lemongrassspa.com. We hope you've enjoyed this, and we can't wait to hear about your experience with our April Bliss Box. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you for watching.